Hey there, it's Dr. Mark. Thank you for checking out my work. What's in Learn Audacity? Let's find out. When you download and then unzip the file, you're going to find the following things. If you're familiar with Audacity, then you know there is an AUP file, which is the main file, and then there is a data file. You don't mess around with the data file. The program messes around with everything in that Learn Audacity _data. Leave that alone. Just mess around with the learnaudacity.aup. Then you see that there is this Open Me First file. There will always be an Open Me First file. It has handouts and instructions. Always, always, always go to Open Me First first. The instructions are there, as you can see, and there are links to videos that will walk you and the kids through every step of the process. The Sounds folder has audio files and MP3 files. As you can see, there are only 4 sound files needed for this particular learning activity. Other learning activities will have many, many more. As I'm working my way through this, I'm trying to make everything the same format from beginning to end so that once you learn how things look here, it will always look the same for any other puzzle that you may download. Again, I want to thank you for taking the time and hope that you enjoy what I've produced. If you have questions and/or comments, please let me know. I want to improve what I have here so that it will benefit kids everywhere. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.